Are you looking for a large single-story home, 3-car garage, and a NextGen suite? Well, look no further, guys. Today, we are going to be touring the Pioneer floor plan at Ridgeview by Lennar, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Ridgeview at Black Mountain Ranch by Lennar. Now, guys, this community, this is one of 7 Lennar communities here in Black Mountain Ranch. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we are located, we're about 25 minutes away from the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. 25 minutes away, 16 miles away, you guys. Now, we're in between like Las Vegas and Boulder City, okay? So we're kind of on the way if you're headed to Hoover Dam. I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So the community, Ridgeview, offers 3 different floor plans. So they have the Pioneer, the Evan, and the Liberty. Now, the Pioneer and Liberty do have NextGen suites in them, just in case you're interested. Now, the base prices range from $654,990 all the way up to $710,990. Now, when I say the base price, just know that the lot premium and upgrades not included, okay? So if you want a rough estimate, you have to add that. Now, here at Lennar, it's pretty limited as far as upgrades, what you can do, because Lennar, they have really great standard options. The only things you could upgrade is going to be flooring, countertop, and cabinets, okay? Just to give you an idea of the total, I would add about 8% to 10% of the base price to the total, and that's what your total cost will be, okay? Now, also about the community, you guys, the HOA here is going to be $130 a month. There is a SID assessment as well, you guys. So the SID assessment, the yearly payment is $1,587.68, but you'll pay half of that every 6 months, okay? So you're looking at paying like $700 something every 6 months, you guys. Also, what the HOA includes is you do have a dog park close by, you have a playground, it is a gated community, and you have a splash pad, which is nice if you have kids. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Pioneer. Now, the Pioneer, guys, is 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, single story, 2441 square feet, and the base price is $654,990. Okay, so they do have a couple of move-in ready homes with all the options already picked out. That's around $690 to $695. So yeah, let's take a look, guys. Paver driveways included, desert landscaping. Okay, nice 3-car garage. I'll show you guys the NextGen suite. Oh, actually, here, while we're over here, we'll look at the entrance to the NextGen suite. Now, again, what a NextGen suite is, it's a separate living area, separate living space inside the house. So the NextGen suite normally will have your own entryway. It'll have like a living room, your full bath, your bedroom. It also have like a washer and dryer and a small mini kitchen, okay? So the mini kitchen will consist of like a microwave, a refrigerator, and a sink. So the only things that NextGen suites don't include is just oven stove, okay? So a stovetop. So normally if somebody's living there, the only reason why they would have to, get to the main part of the house would be to cook, to use a stove. But yeah, NextGen suites are great for if you have relatives staying with you, living with you, in-laws, or if you have a roommate and you can give them their own separate space, okay? So welcome in, guys. As soon as you walk in, this is really nice. It's very open, okay? I'll do a quick walkthrough to show you guys how the floor plan's set up. So right here, we're gonna have the two bedrooms. We have the full bath, okay, linen closet. Now, as we walk over here, you're going to have your really nice kitchen. Okay, very open. Dining room, living room, right? We have your nice slider over there. You're gonna have your primary bedroom. So the thing that's nice is the primary bedroom is separate from the other bedrooms. Okay, you'll have your coat closet right here. And then this is going to be the door to your NextGen suite. So, and then you'll have your laundry room in here. Okay, so it's a really nice floor plan. All the rooms are separated, guys, and you know, I think this is a great place to have a NextGen suite right over there. But yeah, 9-foot ceilings. Now again, guys, when you walk into like a Lennar house, for the most part, everything is standard except for like the flooring and the countertop when it comes to the model homes. So the only things that are really upgraded, yeah, the flooring, countertops, and the cabinets, okay? So for here in this model, now they upgraded the flooring, all right? So the standard flooring in a Lennar house, you would have carpet all throughout, and then you'd have like either tile or linoleum in the wet area. So that would include like the entryway, kitchen, bathroom. Now, if you wanted something like this, and that would be an upgrade. Okay. As far as like the wall texture, the knockdown texture, the flat edge cornering, that's all standard, guys. You see these doors right here, the 5-panel doors. That would be an upgrade with a lot of other builders, but Lennar, it is standard. So here, this is bedroom number 1. And I do have my tool here, so I'll tell you the exact measurements of these rooms. So this is about 11 by 11. Now this is the room that's gonna be like in the front of the house. Okay. Gonna be placed in the front. Also, you will have pre-wire for the ceiling fans in every room. So that is included with Lennar. And you'll have your thermostat right over here. Right, so welcome. So this is gonna be the full bath. So this cultured marble material, that is included. This undermount sink, the Moen faucet, that is included. I think with the cabinets, I'll have to double check where the cabinets goes, because I think the pools are upgraded, but the cabinets, I believe white cabinets is standard. White shaker style cabinets. Right, so here we have the shower tub combo, fiberglass. We have a medicine cabinet as well. Oh, actually, no longer available. There we go, coat closet. Now these doors are gonna be 6x7 doors as well. You're gonna have, I wanna say this is about 3.5-inch baseboards, about 2.5-inch door casings. This is the other bedroom right here. All right, so you do have that one window to allow natural light to come in. Here, I'll tell you the measurements here. So here you're looking at 11 by, okay, so this is also 11 by 11. Transfer grill, help regulate the airflow. Okay. Now you're gonna have smoke detectors inside the rooms, but you also have the smoke detector and the CO2 detector in the hallways. All right, so welcome to the beautiful kitchen. All right, so this quartz right here, this Calcutta quartz. So Calcutta is the quartz that has like the veins. This is upgraded quartz. Now, the standard is quartz, but it's not this type of quartz. If you look at my Liberty, the tour I did on the Liberty model in this community, they're gonna have the standard countertop. The countertop upgraded, cabinets are upgraded, as well as the backsplash. The GE appliance package, so you'll have like the undermount sink, this faucet right here. This oven, microwave, as well as the refrigerator is included. Now it's nice that Lennar includes a refrigerator. Not too many builders do that. I think it's just, I know DR Horton for sure, and maybe like a select other two builders will do that. So you also have plenty of lights. Okay, so you got a 6-pack of lights right there. Pre-wire to the ceiling fan over there. You have this beautiful stackable slider. And check out that backyard space. But yeah, if you're interested to know what the lot sizes are out here, because I'm not too sure, guys. I mean, this is a large backyard, but I'm not too sure if every lot's going to be this large. I doubt it. But you know, reach out to me if you have any questions about the lot sizes. I'll find out for you. Okay, nice living room area. But yeah, it's very spacious, very cozy. I like it. And then you have your primary bedroom right here. So we'll take a look. Let me just see a few things here. Always got to check above the microwave. Okay, so you gotta, so it vents outwards. Now, if you are interested in a new built home and you know you're thinking about going to a new build community, guys, do me a favor, give me a call or shoot me a text. Let me know if you're interested. I'd definitely be honored to help you out through the process. Or if you're working with a realtor, let your realtor know. You just want to make sure they're with you on your very first visit. A lot of times what buyers will do is they'll just go to communities on their own. They'll provide their information. And once they provide their information, the new builds won't let them have a realtor later on. You definitely want a realtor just because the new build agents have a fiduciary relationship with the new builds, but we do for you guys. So that means, you know, we try to negotiate for you. We look after your best interests. We hold the builders accountable, and the builder agents pay the realtors the fees. Okay, the builders pay the realtor fees, so it's definitely a win-win for you. So, you know, definitely get you some representation. All right, so we got the dual sinks, cultured marble countertop. Okay, now for every bathroom, you're gonna see like the separate tub and the separate shower. That's what it is. You can't really upgrade. That's just how it's gonna be. Okay, so what you're seeing is standard. Nice size walk-in closet. Because you also have a light in the closet as well. So yeah, this floor plan is actually great. I like it a lot. Very functional, 2,400 square feet, single story home, which is a really good size home. But the fact that it has a NextGen suite, just in case you have, you know, visitors visiting, they would love to stay in the NextGen suite. Especially if they're, you know, you have your in-laws staying with you and they're staying for like a long time, couple of weeks to like a month or months. Okay, so this is the laundry room. Now, washer and dryer, those are not included. Okay, those are the only appliances that are not included. Smart panel box right here. Okay, so this is gonna be the door to the garage, but yeah, it's locked. Now guys, as far as the garage goes, a couple things about it. You'll have a water softener loop, okay? You'll get your water tank. Also, what am I missing? It's gonna come unfinished, okay? And also you have it'll be set up for pre-wire if you have electric car. So, you know, you could have a charger set up, electric car charger set up there. Okay, so welcome to the NextGen suite. Now remember, there would be a door right here. Okay, so you have your own little living area as well as your mini kitchen. Okay, the only thing it's missing is gonna be a stove. stove oven. But yeah, you have your microwave, you got your sink, your refrigerator, and you're gonna have your little living area. Right. So this is your full bath. All right. Okay, so this would be your bedroom right here. And then you're gonna have your primary bed. Now, how convenient is this, guys? Have your walk-in closet and then have your washer and dryer right there. Super convenient. All right. But yeah, also too, I mean, you know, if you're looking to buy one of these houses, and then you could, you know, definitely just find a roommate, someone who'll rent this side out. Probably have someone rent this out for a good $1,000. That'll definitely help you with a mortgage. Okay. All right. But yeah, the NextGen suite, you also have this door access here that's going to be to the garage. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Thanks to you for watching. If you have any comments or questions, reach out to me, guys. My info is going to be in the description below. Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.